Okay, so here we can see the main dashboard. Now, to add a new Extra Splash, the easiest thing to do is just click Home, and you can give the Extra Splash a name. Now, for this case, I'm just going to call this Test for Video. And I always click Save straight away. Now, you do not have to do this, but the reason is if you click Add eSplash, and you go back and you select that, you can preview it in the WordPress, which saves you basically going back and forward to a page. So this is very handy. So we can design this all within here and just preview it at any one time. So the test for video, the header, obviously that can be changed. So we can change that to whatever we wish. We can change the font, we can change the size, we can change the color. So I'm just going to do a basic eSplash setup here. We've got the options, and here we can put in a header if we wish. And we'll just stick in option 1 here. Download a free ebook. And we're just going to click preview. So here you can see straight away we've got our header if you wish, and option 1. Now you have subscribe now. How this works is you can put in an image or you can change that text. So we'll just go down and show you. You can change if you wish. And I'll just click preview to show you this again. And if you wanted to put in an image, you can select custom button. Now from here, you can upload an image to the WordPress file uploader, or if you wish, simply just paste in a URL. So we're just going to preview again. And here we see we got the blue image in. Okay, so that's the basic setup. Now, what I want to do in this video is just kind of spice up the form a little bit. I want to put in a few Optin form codes, a custom reason, and a video. So the header here, rather than put text, we can actually put a call to action button or just an arrow or a DVD image or anything like this at all. So I'm just going to show you how to put in an image here. Now, if you don't know basic HTML, I just recommend go to W3 Schools. Everything is very self-explanatory. If you want a big header like this, it would be header 1. If you want a smaller text, header 2, header 3. If you just want a paragraph, it's P, and then you write your text and end your paragraph. Very simple, very straightforward, and everything on basic HTML is in this, and these forms will accept it. So just for this, I'm just going to grab the HTML image here, and we can just paste it in. Now you can see it's just image screen, and then you put in your image URL here. And you can put in an alt if you wish, it's not actually required. And the size of the image. If you already have the image the size that you want it, you do not have to put in size. So basically all we're after here is the image URL. Now I'm just going to take the image from one of my blogs, and I'm just going to right click and copy URL. Inside the bonus section of this, there will be a lot of graphics and images that you can use. So straight away, I'm just going to resize that to 600 as well. And we're going to click preview. So you can see here, we're getting a headline and we've got an arrow just pointing them to choose an option. So option 1, I am going to download a free ebook. So I'm just going to go to my Aweber account and just grab a form straight away. Okay, and you can just grab the raw HTML code. Now, if you have GetResponse, SendReach, eBizact, regardless what autoresponder you use, if you just paste in the form code here, the script will pick up the CSS. So we'll just click preview and show you. You can see enter your email, and that is already set up to the correct OTO with the correct list name. So again, if I wanted to create a different list for a different offer, you can see this was PLR. Let's say I wanted to do my list building offer, for example. I could go and grab another form code from that. So we'll just type in, we'll just select this form and we'll paste that into option 2. And we will see option 2. We can put option 2 free video, for example, and we can just paste the form code in there. So we'll just preview that again, and we can see how it looks. And you can see enter your email. Now, if you wanted to put in, I'll give an example here, a video, a YouTube video. We can just go to YouTube, and we can go to share and just take the embed code, change the size, and we can just embed it here. Now, the video will always, if you put the video code below the form or above the form, it is still going to show above the form. That is very important. You can see I put the video code in this case below the form, but it will show up. Now you can see here in this case that if your video is too wide, you have two choices. You can make the video smaller or you can make the form wider. In this choice, I am just going to choose to make the video smaller. So we can just go down to the size here and we can say 440 by 290. And click preview again. Option 2. And you can see it's perfectly centered. Okay, now that is how to embed a YouTube video into your form as well. So we're just going to change that to free list building training video. Okay, now option 3. What we can do here is, for example, we don't want to take their email, we just want them to join our Facebook group. So click here to, for example, like us on Facebook. Now, in this case, what I want to do is I want to put an image with a clickable URL. I'll just show you here's the example here. So what I can do is you can go back to image, and we can take that code, and then we can just put in a hyperlink. This site is very, very handy for just going back and forward and grabbing HTML code if you don't want to type them out. So you can see here, that is the image that I need to put in. And what I want to do is I just want to grab that like us on Facebook image. So I'll just go copy image URL. And I can change this to my Facebook page. So I go facebook.com and online IM support. So let's just go and preview this again. Okay, click here to like us on Facebook and we can see the image is in place there. And the size is weird, so we can just remove the size. And click preview again. So guys, it's a very simple setup. It's easy to configure. There's many options. Now, I'm going to leave the fourth option empty in this case, and I just want to enable a custom reason. So you can put in here a HTML form if you wish. Now, I'm just going to grab this form for this case, for this example, and we're going to paste it in here, and we're going to ask them, please tell us why you are leaving. Now, from this, every time someone enters their name and email address, I'm just going to change this as well. So we'll put in a custom button, or we can say, please provide your feedback. And we'll click preview again. Okay, now what happens when they select the custom reason? They're allowed to type in the reason here, for example, great site. Now, you can just use your imagination for this and use it for so many different ways. But when your customer is able to type in words and they go directly into your WordPress dashboard under reports, it's going to give you the ability to improve your funnels, to see what's working. And there's so many different ways. Another option for this would be, please tell us how you arrived at this site. And they can type in Google, found you on email, found you on a banner, whatever. You're going to know what type of advertising is working. So I'm just going to switch these colors actually, just to look it better. And preview. Okay, perfect. Now, very, very important is to click Save Changes. So now when we go to one of our WordPress posts, I'll just go to All Pages. And we can change one of these. We're going to put test for video and update. Now, the idea of the plugin is when they are scrolling through the content, when they go to leave the page, when they go up, your pop-up will always appear. So it'll only appear when they're going to exit. If they want to close the pop-up, if they don't like it, they can just simply click away. So it's a smooth in and out effect, which works out very well. It's not annoying for your subscribers. And if you're going to be able to collect emails and feedback from it, it's definitely something that should be in use. So I'm just going to go down to the very last part of this, and you will see that you can rebrand this with your affiliate ID. Now, I would definitely sign up as an affiliate for JVZoo. There's a link in the blog on the menu, so you can join as an affiliate and put in your JVZoo affiliate ID here. You can change this text if you wish, and you can rebrand the color. So I'm just going to show you how that works. I'm just going to put in list building feedback, and we'll click preview. and you will see here it'll show in the corner. Now that will always open up in a new window, and while you're using this on your blog, you will be able to earn commissions to anyone who purchases that. If you're involved in affiliate marketing and internet marketing, there's a very profitable sales funnel for this product. So you can earn a lot of money by just leaving this on and having your JV2 affiliate ID in place. So that's all for this training video, guys. I hope you like this. If you have any questions, just please contact us on support.